Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Prithvi and today I will be showing you how to use FlyonUI Blocks with AI tools. We will be using copy prompt and Context7 MCP to create a full restaurant landing page in Next.js. So let's get started. Let's set up FlyonUI in the Next.js project. If you are new to it, I have linked the getting started video down in the description. Now let's head over to the framework guide in the FlyonUI docs. FlyonUI offers basic starter kit for most of the major frameworks. You will also find detailed manual setup guide if you want to configure it yourself. Let's clone the repo. And get it started running. I will be using VS Code as my code editor. Now in the terminal, let's install the dependencies. Once that is done, you can start up the server. The starter kit is running. Once the starter kit has been running, go in the block section, search for the hero section page. Here you will find all the blocks related to hero section. There are some free blocks and most of them are pro blocks. So let's copy the first block. Go to our ID. Let's see what AI has done. Wonderful job. As for about us, and let's use the following block. So now as you can see, there is some radius issue. Let's update the radius. So we'll go the section here. Now as you can see, there is a padding. So even if we give it a 4XL, it will not work that well. So rather, let's give it a arbitrary value. So now that it looks something good. Here we can, let's take this one. So we'll copy the following code, paste it over here and for the custom. Wonderful, but there is a missing image. So let's get it straight. Let's test it out. Okay, So now it's done. Perfect. Let's change the following changes. Check it out. Now let's start with the service section. So we will take it from the block. Let's paste it. Perfect, but this section look image is missing, so let's update it. So sometimes such thing occurs due to the image being the paid one. So the AI doesn't know if the image is paid or the free. The second image, yes. The image has been updated. So let's keep it. Stage the changes. Check out what is missing. So if you look, the second block has a background color, third one doesn't, and fourth one also does not have background. So let's update the background. FlyonUI contains 3 colors for the background. One is base 100, which is default. Second is the base 200, which is slightly darker than the white one, and base 100. And the third, base 300, which is more darker than the 200. So now let's check it out. So do you see the contrast between those? This looks perfect. Perfect. Now let's continue with the next section. That would be the testimonials. So we'll go in the testimonial section. So let's see which project might look good. Let's go with this one, testimonial 4. Okay. Let's see what output it gives to us. Let's do this. Let's check out our testimonial section. I think it's missing something. Okay, the issue was the reload. So let's keep it. Okay, now see, there is a background color issue. So we can do this. With this, the section will have one white, one base 200 color, so it will look much better that way. So now that is done, let's stage the changes. So for the next section, let's add a booking section. So let's use the first section. So let's check out our contacted section in the code. Now it is creating an issue. Let's solve this. Let's see if the issue has been solved. Perfect. Let's change the changes. For the last section, that would be the footer. So Here also let's use the first block. Let's check out our footer. Perfect. Now if you see, there are still few things missing, such as if you look our navbar and footer, both menu section is not been updated, so let's update that. So it has started updating the footer section first. So now the links has been updated. So let's check it out. If you see, the active state is missing, so let's update it. So now let's check out the output. So if you see, it maintained the active state in the navbar. So let's keep everything and stage the following changes. Close everything. Now let's explore how Context and MCP can help us modify and customize our code. Let's head towards the documentation. Here we can search for code editors. Here, as you can see, we have provided guides for the major AI editors. We have made an effort to include all the possible methods to get an MCP running up in your environment. So I'll be using the one-click method for the VS Code. So once we are here, we can install the MCP server. Once that is done, let's close it. Let's try to use it. Now, as you can see, the theme doesn't look appropriate for our restaurant landing page. So let's update it. Let's check out the output. So the theme and the font family has been updated. Now it looks perfect. And that's it. You have now learned how to use FlyonUI with Next.js and how the copy prompt helps you quickly create a great looking and responsive landing pages that you can easily customize for your projects, all with the help of Context and MCP, which hold everything from the FlyonUI docs. If you have any questions or need more clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Happy coding!